Now, the Chinese government says COVID-19 testing requirements imposed on passengers from China are unacceptable and threatened countermeasures against countries involved. Our Seung-jae has more.
The Chinese government has slammed COVID-19 testing requirements imposed on passengers traveling from China and threatened countermeasures against countries involved.
We are firmly opposed to attempts to manipulate the epidemic prevention and control measures for political purposes, and will take corresponding measures in different situations according to the principle of reciprocity.
The Foreign Ministry spokesperson added that the entry restrictions that some countries imposed on China only lack scientific basis, calling them unacceptable. The comments come as a growing number of countries followed suit in imposing stricter measures against travelers from China, including Australia and Canada. Other countries like South Korea, the US, UK, India, Japan, and several European nations had already announced tougher COVID-19 measures amid concerns over a lack of data on infections in China and fears of the possibility that new variants may emerge. Meanwhile, the EU is also set to impose stricter measures following a meeting with the EU Health and Safety Commission, posting on Twitter that EU member states have agreed on a coordinated approach to the evolving COVID-19 situation, including the impact of increased travel from China. One official taking part in the meeting noted that an overwhelming number of member states were in favor of pre-departure testing for all travelers from China. More countries might follow suit, as China has been reporting a flare-up of new variants in different parts of the country, including the XBB and BQ.1 variants. Experts say the XBB variant is hard to treat and could even be resistant to the available vaccines. With the variants being reported more and more throughout the country, China could potentially see even more explosive COVID-19 cases moving forward. Seung-jae, Arirang News.